Hello everyone. Today in this video you will see how to create the schedules of the automations that you have built using Automation Anywhere. So before we start our session for the day, I request every one of you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive all the latest updates and notifications that we keep posting on our YouTube channel. So without any further delay, let us start our session for the day. So before diving deep into the practical implementation of creating a schedule, first of all, let us discuss the problem statement. So suppose there is a automation that you have built, that is RPA challenge automation. So now there is a requirement which has come up that you need to schedule this automation in such a way that it needs to run on daily basis every weekdays 6 p.m. in the evening. So over here, what you need to do is to create a schedule of the weekdays 6 p.m. excluding the weekends. So now let us go to the practical implementation of creating the schedule. So first of all, you have to log into your Automation Anywhere with your administrator credentials. So after you log in with your administrator credentials, you will be redirected to the home page. The next step that you need to do is to click on the Manage tab, and then under the Manage tab, you need to click on the Scheduled tab. So once you click on the Scheduled tab, it will take you to the Scheduled Activities. Over here, what you need to do is to click on the Create a Schedule button. So once you click on Create a Schedule button, over here it will ask you to select the task bot. So you need to select the task bot which you need to schedule. So in this case, we need to schedule the RPA challenge automation schedule. So over here, go to the bots and then select the task name that you want to schedule. So in this case, I will select the RPA challenge automation, and after selecting the task bot, you just need to click on the choose button. So once you click on the choose button, it will load in few seconds. So over here, what you need to do is to click on the schedule button. So over here, what you need to do is you need to click on the run repeatedly option, and over here you need to pass in the start date. So over here I will pass in the start date as Monday 18th, and over here the start time will be 6 p.m. After selecting the time as 6 p.m. you need to select the time zone. So I will select the time zone as IST, which is by default selected. And over here in the frequency section, I will pass it as weekly, and I will, once I select weekly, I will select all the weekdays, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, because we need to exclude the weekends. So I will not check this Saturday and Sunday chatbots. And over here, if there is a missed schedule setting, which means like if a schedule is missed due to any reason, that is control room is down or busy, so we will just check this checkbox, that is redeploy the schedule again. The next thing that you need to do is to select the device name from run as users tab. So as you can see, there is no list of devices available at the moment. So in order to create the devices, the next thing that you need to do is to select the device on which you want to run the bot. So in order to select the device, you need to go to the run as users tab and select the device name. But as you can see, there is no list of devices available or being shown as of now. So in order to create the devices, what you need to do is you need to go to the users tab. So over here, what you need to do is to click on the create user option, then give the name, then give the username, that is device underscore unattended. I will give the password, and the same password you need to give in the confirm password field, and then provide the email ID. So I will just copy the email ID and paste it in the confirm email field. The next thing after entering the basic details is to select the roles. So the roles that I will be selecting over here is for now is pool admin and the run bots option. So these two roles you need to select, and after selecting these roles just click on the right arrow, and in the right arrow just after pressing the right arrow, the next step that you need to do is to select the unattended bot runner license, and then just click on the save changes, or you just need to click on the create user option. So it will create the user. So after this, after you have created the user with the unattended bot runner license, the next thing that you need to do is just log out of the current control room administrator credentials, and over here just put the username, that is device underscore unattended, which you just created, and give the password, and then click on the login button. So once you click on the login button, it will ask you to reset the password. So I will just quickly reset the password. After giving the old password and the new password, you just need to click on the next button and just provide the security questions. After providing the security questions and answers, you just need to click on the save and login button. So after doing this, the next step that you need to do is you have to go to the manage devices, and over here you just need to click on the uh, you just need to click on this my settings, go to devices, and over here what you need to do is to give the uh, credentials of your system. So in order to identify the username, go to the command prompt and just write who am I. So after writing the command who am I and pressing enter, you will get the username. So just copy the username, and then over here what you need to do is to paste the username. So after pasting the username, then give the password of your system which you are entering to log in. So after giving the username and password, just click on the save changes. So once you click on the save changes button, the device settings over here will show as a green tick. So now the next thing that you need to do is just log out of this machine and log in back with the control room administrator credentials. So after login with the control room administrator credentials, again go to manage, scheduled, create a schedule, and then click on choose. And over here select the automation that you need to schedule. And over here go to the schedule, just select the same settings which we did at the beginning. Select the date 18, start date as 6 p.m. and the time zone will remain as IST, and we will just select weekly, and then after selecting weekly we will just select the weekdays from Monday to Friday, and just select this option, that is redeploy the schedule again, and then click on the next. So over here after clicking on the next button, you can see the device name is now available under the run as users. So you just need to select this device and then click on the right arrow. So once you click on the right arrow, the next thing that you need to do is to select the device pool. So we have created the device pool. So for device pool creation video, I will create a separate video for this in order to show how you can create the device pool. So we will now select the device pool and then just click on this right arrow. So once you click on this right arrow, then you need to click on the next button, and over here you don't have to do anything. Then you just need to select or click on the next button, and over here you just need to select whether or not you want to show or hide the bot run window when it will run on the other device. So what I'll do is I will just uncheck this chatbots because I usually prefer this as unchecked, and then we will click on the create schedule button. So once you click on the create schedule button, the schedule has been created. So this is how you can create the schedule in Automation Anywhere. So with that, we have come to the end of our video session wherein we saw how to create the schedules in Automation Anywhere. So if you have any queries regarding this video, then you can raise your queries in the comment section and I will be more than happy to answer all your queries. Before we wind up our session for the day, I request every one of you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive all the latest updates and notifications that we keep posting on our YouTube channel. Thank you all and have a great day.